There are two types of YouTube channel available, depending on whether you're an individual content creator or you plan to operate as a brand online. Personal channels are populated with personal details and generally only have one administrator. Brand channels are run and managed by an advertiser or a company by multiple users. Critically, there are no personal details on this channel. On your YouTube channel, you can upload your videos and house your content online. And it's important to ensure that you keep your channel regularly updated. For example, any changes to your company branding. Your YouTube channel should reflect your business similar to your website would. To create a personal YouTube channel, search for YouTube on a computer or using the mobile site. If you try an action that requires a channel, such as uploading a video or posting a comment, you will be prompted to create a channel. Your details will automatically be populated with the details of your Google account. Check these details and confirm that you want to create your channel. To create a YouTube channel for a brand, search for YouTube on a computer or using the mobile site. Sign in to YouTube and go to your channel list. Follow the instructions on screen to help you create this channel.